Meat, steak, bacon, eggs. What if eating only these foods could transform your health, your body, and your energy? Today, I'll show you the complete guide to the carnivore diet. The benefits, the struggles, and 5 ways to supercharge your results. Stick around because number 5 might surprise you. Hit that subscribe button now for more life-changing health tips. The carnivore diet is simple. You eat only animal-based foods. That means meat, fish, eggs, butter, and sometimes dairy. No fruits, no veggies, no bread or pasta, no sugar. Think of it as the ultimate elimination diet. You strip away everything except nutrient-dense, protein-rich foods. Here's why people swear by it. Fat loss made simple. Cutting carbs puts your body in fat-burning mode. Better blood sugar control. No sugar spikes or crashes. High energy and mental clarity. Your body adapts to burning fat for fuel. Reduced inflammation. Say goodbye to joint pain and bloating. Simplicity. No calorie counting. No complicated prep. Just cook and eat. But it's not all ribeye and bacon. There are struggles. First 2 weeks are rough. Expect fatigue and headaches as your body adapts. Social life suffers. Pizza night? Nope. Pasta dinners? Out. Nutrient concerns? Missing vitamins and fiber, unless you eat organ meats. Digestive changes, constipation or diarrhea until your body adjusts. Food boredom. Steak every day can feel repetitive. Here's how to thrive on carnivore, not just survive. Stay hydrated and add electrolytes. Salt, magnesium, potassium. Equal sign no headaches. Eat nose to tail liver, heart, and bone broth. Equal sign extra vitamins. Focus on quality fat. Grass-fed beef, fatty fish, and eggs keep energy high. Track your progress. Weight, mood, energy. Adjust as needed. Combine with intermittent fasting, the ultimate fat loss and energy combo. That's the complete guide to the carnivore diet. The benefits, the struggles, and how to supercharge your results. Would you ever try carnivore? Or are you already doing it? Drop your answer in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and as always, may the Lord always bless you.